Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to share with you DIY rice hair mask that is perfect for wash day routines. Let's get straight to today's video. So family, right here I have half a cup of rice, white rice. You can just measure 8 tablespoons of rice if you don't have a cup. I'm going to go ahead and transfer it to my pot right here. I'm going to add some water to slightly cover my rice. I want this rice to be super soft, so I added some extra water and this is how this looks. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer it to the stove and cook it until it's tender. I'm going to fire up my stove and then I'll just cook this up. It's been a few minutes now and I feel like my rice is now ready. I'm just going to turn off my stove. Here we go. This rice is now ready, as you can see. I'm just going to add some of the rice here to this white bowl. I feel like this is enough. So from here, I'm going to mash this rice. Let me get a spoon. I'm going to use this strong spoon to just mash my rice up. You can blend your rice. If you don't have a blender, just go ahead and mash your rice. Make sure your rice is not chunky. I'm now going to add some mayonnaise in. This is the mayonnaise I'm going to be using. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. You can replace the mayonnaise with eggs. I'm also going to be adding some avocado oil. You can add olive oil or coconut oil. If you don't have avocado oil at home, I'll leave the link to my other video down below in the description box. I did a video like a month ago. Yeah, so you can check it out to learn how to make your avocado oil for cooking and for hair and body. It's a detailed video. I know you're going to love it. I'm just going to add my avocado oil in, and as you can see, the color is so beautiful. I'll just add it all in. You can measure in tablespoons. Yeah, you can add 5 tablespoons, and it also depends with the thickness and the length of your hair. Okay, so this is what I have here. I feel like I should add a little bit of water to it so it can be like runny. Yeah, I feel like it's so thick and so compact, and the water that I added in the rice actually drained. If you decide to add water, you can use distilled water or boiled water. That will make your mask last a little bit longer than when you use tap water. I hope you understand what I mean by that. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and mix this up again. So as you can see now, it's a little loose, and that's what I wanted. When you're boiling your rice, just make sure that you don't boil it so much that all the water drains. You can add extra water so you can have rice water. Yeah, so that your mask turns out loose like this. For me, I drained the rice. That's why I needed to adjust the water right here. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and beat this up. You can use a whisk to beat this, or you can use a hand mixer. Okay, so from here, I'm going to go ahead and just strain this mask up. You can use a kitchen towel or a strainer. You can use a sieve too. So for the straining part, I'm going to use this. Let me just quickly wipe it up so we can make sure that everything you're working with is clean. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to use a sieve to strain my mask. A kitchen towel, I have already tried it and it won't work. So I'll just add the mask in and then I'll just press on it with a spoon to squeeze it out. So guys, I'm just doing this to make sure that when you're using this mask, it's not chunky or lumpy, so the rice particles don't remain on my hair here. Okay, so as you can see, for the sieve it's working. For my kitchen towel, okay, I think I need to really wash that thoroughly. So I feel like this is just enough for this that's remaining on top of my sieve, and just have to throw it away. Let me just get this one at the bottom of the sieve is super soft, so I'll just add it in. I don't want to throw it away. Our mask is now ready, and as you can see, this mask is super smooth. Even if we didn't use a blender, look at it. Let me show you closely. Look at it. It's super smooth. So like I said before, the amount you're going to be making depends with the thickness of your hair and with the length of your hair. For me, this is just enough. So from here, let me just go ahead and have this on my hair really quick. Here we go. Here's the mask. I know you're wondering, my hair is really messy. I decided to go natural for a few days. Okay, so I'm going to be applying this hair mask on my hair, and I'm just going to be working in beads like I always do in my other videos as I try to detangle my hair. Let me just first put my camera well so you can see what I'm doing here. So let me start from this part. So as you can see, my hair is not that much, so that's the reason why I didn't use so much. I didn't make so much of this mask. As you can see, I have short hair, so I'll just apply it on my hair as I massage it, and then I'm going to let it sit here for at least 30 minutes before I wash it off. I know you're noticing I have a cold, that's why my voice is changing. Let me do this. Oh God. And when you're doing this, just make sure that you do it on a hard ground so you don't mess your carpet and everything, and then you clean up again. Oh, I can see the change. Like, look at it. My hair is now like separating just smoothly. This is like a detangler. Oh God. Oh, look. My hair is super soft, you guys. I have not even let it sit for 30 minutes. I feel like it's getting softer and softer. As you can see, when I'm applying this mask, I'm trying to massage it in my hair, yeah, so it can detangle my hair. Like you've seen in that part of the video, my hair is now getting softer and softer. Oh, this mask is just so satisfying on my scalp when I massage it like this. I feel like sleeping. Except I have so much to do today, I can't sleep while standing here. I'm going to wear my shower cap after applying the mask, and then I'm going to let this sit for 30 minutes on my hair so we can see the change, and then we'll wash it off. So let's just do it. Okay, you guys, so it's already 30 minutes. I just removed my cap. You guys, look at this. My hair is super soft. Oh my god. I'm going to try this again and I'll put avocado in it. So let's just go in and wash this off as I detangle my hair too. Okay guys, so here we are. I'm inside the bathroom. So from here, I'm going to be detangling my hair and I'm using this. I'm using this. I'm scrubbing a lot today. I'll try to use this other side and this side. I'm going to section my hair first. Okay, I feel like this is just enough. Like I said in my previous video, if you're detangling your hair, if you have foreseen natural hair that is tangly like mine here from the roots, just hold your hair and then just comb it out, so that way you don't like break so much of your hair and then you don't feel the pain. Yeah. Okay, as you can see here, my hair is like just coming out. This mask just saved me the pain that I would have felt if I just use shampoo and conditioner. So as you can see, I'm holding my hair and then I'm just combing it out. I'm now going to go ahead and just braid this up. You can twist it. If you love a twist, you can just do the twist. I'm just going to secure it inside so I can have a little bit more space to work on this other section. So let me just quickly detangle this other part and then braid it up, and then I'll be right back with you guys. So here we go. I'm just going to turn on my shower and I'm going to be using warm water to wash off the mask first. So if you decide to use egg instead of mayonnaise, you're going to wash your hair with cold water instead of warm water. If you wash it with warm water, the egg is going to be cooked. You're going to have scrambled eggs all over your hair and you don't want that. I'm not just going to go in with my shampoo. For the shampoo, I'm just using this Beulah shampoo that I used in my previous video. You can use any shampoo that you have at home. I'm just going to apply the shampoo as I massage it on my hair. Let me just go ahead and add the second shampoo and then I rinse it off again. I'm now going to go in with my conditioner, and for the conditioner I'm just using the same brand, Beulah conditioner. You can use any conditioner that you have at home. One thing that I love about this conditioner is that it smells so nice, you guys. I don't know if it works well. Okay, I'll just apply that in. I'll just take a shower first and then I'll dry my hair. So from here you can just dry your hair with a towel and then apply any of your favorite hair oil that you have at home. So guys, this is how my hair looks up close. Thanks for watching this particular video. Check out a DIY onion hair mask plus oil that I did a few months ago. I'll link it in the description box, and kindly make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my uploads. See you in my next video. Bye.